Hey, James Hayden here. Today's question is, are you doing the right things? Are you striking the right balance between technology, AI, supporting your customers, and growing your business? What the heck do I mean by that? AI will not replace some of the customer service that is needed to build your business. And a lot of people have been asking me, like, you're talking about making markets, where are you talking about some of these personal attributes and success? Makes a difference. It makes a difference in terms of building your business, that you pay attention to those personal attributes to build business. Here's one of the disturbing trends I'm starting to see. AI replacing all customer service. To build your business, replacing a customer is very, very expensive. Keeping your customers, customer retention is a big part of it. Building those customers, maybe additional services they can provide, is an important factor in growing your business. Plus, having that love affair with your customers, they're going to refer you to other customers. Here's what I'm seeing. People being too busy. A customer reaches out to them and it's either an automated response on AI, or it's like, hey, I'm jammed up, I can't get back to you until next week. How does a customer feel? They feel like they're chopped liver. They don't feel they're that important. So AI can automate some of those responses. A lot of times people will tell you, just allow me to get self-service of what you need. It is really important to have human touch. Early in my career, one of my first bosses, a man named Don Farno, told me, and this is really important, this is the jewel in this, regardless of how many customers you have, make every one of them feel like they're your only customer. If you can do that, winner, winner. You are going to be way ahead of everybody else. Use AI to automate it, but keep that personal touch. To say you're too busy for a customer, or even somebody who's a small customer, I think is a mistake. Oftentimes, most of what they want is a simple question, or just maybe catch up to you, whatever. That can be handled very quickly, very efficiently. If it means an extra 5 or 10 minutes on the back end of your day, take it. It's worth it. There's an opportunity, and there's a real balance as you begin to do all the amazing things that AI does. That human touch, that personal touch, and be human with your customers. So build that foundation of business, and keep building it. So a story I have from several years ago. I was brought in by one of the largest technology companies in the world to turn around one of their largest accounts. And this seems to be the trend in a lot of companies today. On, again, one of their largest accounts, customer satisfaction rating on a scale of 0 to 5 was 0.4. And when I left, it was 3 points. Still not happy with that. But the point is, how does an organization, I saw the behavior in the organization, the way they were treated, and that organization was looking to develop their own software to make changes because how poorly they were treated. They couldn't wait to find another solution other than deal with that organization. Then when I left, the bonus I was due, of course, they had more lawyers than a small town does. Nothing was paid to me. They refused to pay it. Couldn't wait to get me out of the organization fast enough, apparently, even though I'd made a significant change. There's that vibe, unfortunately, in some of the tech companies. So set yourself up to be excellent, to be different than those organizations, because otherwise people are always looking for a way to get out.